Exercise 7.2 14th sum. If S equal to 2 by 2 matrix, then prove that the summation of into k varies from 1 to k only. So det of a power k, that is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by n. So k varies from 1 to n. We get the solution. Okay, ma? So the first of all, the values of this one is k varies from 1 to n. It is correct. Okay. So solution, first to find out the value of first, let us take the a value. S equal to into 1 by 2 alpha 0 1 by 2. That is the a value. So first to find out the det value. Det of a. Det of a is equal to cross multiplication. So 1 by 2 the whole square. Det means modulus of, that is a. So that is called 1 by 2 the whole square minus 0 is equal to 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay. So det of a is equal to 1 by 2 the whole square. So the first value, det of a equal to 1 by 2 the whole square. So next to find out the det of a square, that is called det of a square is equal to the first value 1 by 2 alpha 0 1 by 2, the next value 1 by 2 alpha 0 1 by 2. For this two is multiplications, we get the result is 1 by 2 the whole square, this one alpha. So okay, first one 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 the whole square, next one is getting to 0, next first row second column, this is called 1 by 2 into alpha. Okay, the first row second column 1 by 2 alpha into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into alpha, next one 0, next one is also 0, next one 0, next one plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So that is equal to into this one 1 by 2 the whole square, 2 times of into 1 by 2 alpha. Okay, ma? So 2 cancel now, the remaining value 0. This is also 1 by 2 the whole square, that is equal to into 1 by 2 the whole square, this one alpha, this one 0, this one 1 by 2 the whole square, that is called det of alpha. So det of into a square, that is equal to we get the solution is 1 by 2 the whole power 1 by 4, that is the answer. So det of a square is equal to 1 by 2 the whole power 4. Next value. So for this way is going to the nth term. So the last value, summation of this one is going to, let us take the summation k varies from 1 to n, det of into a power k, that is equal to first one det of into a plus det of into a square plus det of into a power 3 plus and so on etc. plus det of into a power n. That is the last term. Okay. Now replace the values of this one is going to 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay, ma? This one 1 by 2 the whole square plus into 1 by 2 the whole power 4 plus into 1 by 2 the whole power 6 plus and so on etc. plus 1 by 2 the whole power n. Okay. The common value of this series is 1 by 2 the whole power 2. That is the common value. The remaining values is 1 plus this one is going to 1 by 2 the whole square plus next one 1 by 2 the whole power 4 plus and so on etc. plus 1 by 2 the whole power n minus 1, 2 times of into this one is going to 2n, this one is 2 times of n minus 1. Okay. For this series is going to the GP SN formula. So this one is SCN, that is equal to a into 1 minus r power n whole divided by 1 minus r. R is a common ratio. Next a is a first value. Now a is equal to 1, r is equal to 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay, 1 by 2 the whole square. So that is equal to, so summation of into k varies from 1 to n into det of into a power n. So det of into a power k. This one det of into a power k is equal to 1 by 2 the whole square into by applying for this Sn formula Sn is equal to a into for this series. Okay. So a is equal to 1 into this is called 1 minus 1 by 2 the whole square whole power la n. Okay. Whole power n. The whole divided by this 1 minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay. So that is equal to 1 by 2 the whole square into this is 1 minus of into 1 divided by 4 the whole power n divided by 1 minus 1 by 4. So that is equal to 1 by 2 the whole square into 1 minus 1 by 4 the whole power n whole divided by this is 3 by 4. Okay. So that is equal to 3 by 4 means that is called 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 4 power n. So this one 4 cancels equal to 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 power n. We get the solution of this equation. So therefore summation of into k varies from 1 to n det of into a power k that is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 power n. We get the solution. Okay.